spark in the air when you whisper soft, like the world stops turning and the noise turns off. Your voice wraps around me like a gentle flame, and love grows every time you say my name. I've heard the wind, the rain, the quiet nights too, but nothing sounds sweeter than a word from you. It's like my heart blooms with every little phrase, even the syllables set my soul ablaze. I never knew that something so simple could feel like a prayer, could feel like a miracle. Love grows every time you say my name, like a rising sun breaking through the gray. Every whisper, every breath you take gives my heart a reason to stay awake. Love grows with the softness in your tone, with the way you make me feel at home. Every time you call, it's never the same. Love grows every time you say my name. The sound of your voice travels straight to my chest, turning ordinary moments into something blessed. You don't even know what your words can do, how they paint the sky in a brighter hue. And when you speak in that gentle way, I swear the whole world fades away. It's like your voice knows where my fears hide, and your name for me pulls them aside. You don't have to try, you don't have to explain. Your voice is sunlight after the rain. Love grows every time you say my name, like a rising sun breaking through the gray. Every whisper, every breath you take gives my heart a reason to stay awake. Love grows with the softness in your tone, with the way you make me feel at home. Every time you call, it's never the same. Love grows every time you say my name. Maybe it's the warmth in the sound you make, or the way my soul trembles, the way I shake. Maybe it's how your love settles in, planting roots deep beneath my skin. Say it again, just one more time. Let your voice echo in my mind, because every time your lips shape that word, I feel the kind of love I've never heard. And love grows every time you say my name, like the whole world shifts, like nothing's the same. Every whisper, every breath you take turns a quiet into something I can't replace. Love grows with the softness in your tone, with the way you make me feel at home. Call me again, I'll never be the same. Love grows every time you say my name. Oh, so keep speaking softly, keep calling me near. Your voice is the song my heart wants to hear. In every echo, in every flame, love grows every time you say my name.